What's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play My Mother Wants Me Dead on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. Alright, to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. You'll need 4 chords. You can just play power chords. So you'll need X, 1, 3, 3. And then you'll need 3, 5, 5. And then you'll need 6, 8, 8. Or you'll need X, 6, 8, 8. And all the way down to 1, 3, 3. Those are your 4 chords. Once again, it's X, 1, 3, 3. 3, 5, 5. X, 6, 8, 8. And 1, 3, 3. Just power chords.